In this video, I'm going to discuss about the awesome oscillator trading strategy that is available on TradingView, and only few of the traders are using it, and only few of the traders know about the quality and the best signals given by the oscillator. So basically, I know that many of the traders are always interested in buy and sell signals indicator, but they never try the oscillator. That's why I'm making a different video, because this video is definitely going to help you in many ways. So you can implement this strategy on forex, crypto, and the stocks. So normally all strategies are for the crypto and forex and the stock market as well. So you can see that the oscillator that I am going to review, that I find very awesome, that is Andrian oscillator, and that is by Alex Grover. And you can see only 819 traders have put this oscillator into their favorite section, right? Okay, so this oscillator setup is attached on our chart. And then the second indicator that we will be using with this strategy, you will write on TradingView ADX, right? So we are not using any ADX by any author. We are just going to use the simple one, which is average directional index, right? So if I click on my screen, then it comes like this, right? Okay, the next thing that we need to do with the ADX is this: you will choose a horizontal line from your trading view, and you will set up this line at almost the 20 level, right? So if I try to do it, so this is the 20 level. Almost you can say consider that this is the 20 level, because there is a slight difference here. Okay, so you will manually put the horizontal line like this. And the second thing, let me talk about the oscillator. So do not be confused about the journal look of this oscillator. Maybe it looks complicated to you. However, this is very easy. So you can see the different lines on the oscillator. Just focus on the two lines first, the red for sell and the green for buy. Okay, so if you see that the green line has crossed the red line as well, and the yellow line, and it is at the top right now, means that this is the signal for the buy. I mean, the green line should be at the top and it must cross the previous two lines, right? Okay, so hopefully I'm trying my best to teach you in a very easy way. And the second thing that you will see on the ADX, that either it is crossing the 20 level or not. It should be above the 20 level, like you can see in that situation. Okay, so for example, if I take the long entry here, for example, let's say here we have the a buy signal, and if we have taken the entry from here, we have set up the stop loss at the previous low. Now let's talk about the profits, that how much it was able to give us on this trade. So you can simply see we were able to catch 3.71 ratio just by using the 5-minute time frame. However, this strategy is not limited to time frame. You can not limited to 5 minutes. You can trade any time frame of your choice, right? Okay, now have a look. Now have a look that what happened. The red line crosses the yellow line first, then it crossed the green line as well, right? Okay, so and the one thing that the ADX is also above the 20 level, but it's still coming down. So this signal is not valid right now. So let's talk about the other signals. So for example, here. Look, this is the very good situation, right? Okay, so if I choose the short position here, if you look at here, the red line is at the top. It crossed the both green and yellow lines. And let's say if we have taken our entry from here, and here ADX was also above the 20 level, then you can see that you have set up the stop loss at the previous high. And now you will believe that what you have made from this trade, if you have taken this one, if you can see, then you were easily able to catch almost 2.60 ratio from that trade, right? This is very awesome, because no indicator gives like these signals. This is very powerful. Okay, just have a look on here. On USD CHF, just happening here, short position. Look at here, the ADX line, the red line crossed the both green and the yellow line, and it's at the top. And for example, if we have taken the sell entry from here, set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then you must be targeting something. So for example, if we already do about it, so it is 1.2 ratio here, so maybe it is going to give you easily almost 2 ratio from that trade, right? So this is how you can use your buy and sell signals using this Andine oscillator and with the combination of the ADX. And you can also backtest this strategy. This strategy is very good. Like, it's happening on USD JPY. The red line crossed the both lines, it's at the top. ADX is also above the 20 level. So what do you think about it? Okay, so guys, it's a very powerful strategy. Use this one. Even on USD CAD, you can see the red line at the top, the ADX is above the 20 level. You can see a drop is coming here as well. You can see that you have a sell signal here at the top, and the ADX was also above the 20. So overall, you can see that very good signal. Even this bullish trend comes but didn't went through, because if you look at here, the green line didn't crosses the both lines. So the blue signal wasn't triggered for the buy. Again, it has pointed us with a sell signal. So this is the power of this strategy, right? So if you will be using this strategy, then your maximum trades should be in profits, and that's a very good trading setup, right? Okay guys, so what do you think about this strategy? Please let me know into the comment section. I will be waiting for your comments, and if you like this strategy, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.